Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, the topic is Chapter 3, Job Costing, Product Costing, Batch Costing, and Process Costing from subject Introduction to Financial and Costing System. Tutorial Chapter 3. Next, the statement for Tutorial 3. Puncak Mahligai Sendirian Berhad. Puncak Mahligai Sendirian Berhad is a furniture manufacturing company and just been awarded by its new supplier to supply furniture to them. They create the job as job 7686. Details of the job are as below. Job 7686 required 50 kilograms of raw materials which cost Rm30 per kilogram. 60 hours labor was spent on this job and direct workers were paid at Rm15 per hour. Overhead are absorbed at the rate of Rm7 per labor hour. Selling and administration overhead of 25% is added to production cost to arrive at quoted price. And the last one, 25% profit markup is charged on the total cost after adding the selling and administration overheads. A. Total material cost 50 kilograms times Rm30 equal to Rm 1500. B. Total labor cost 60 labor hour times Rm15 equal to Rm 900. C. Total overhead cost Rm7 times 60 labor hour equal to Rm 420. D. Total product cost. The total product cost includes total material cost, total labor cost, and total overhead cost. Rm 1500 plus Rm 900 plus Rm 420 equal to Rm 2820. E. The period cost. Selling and administration overhead of 25% is added to production cost to arrive at quoted price. The 25% times with the total product cost Rm 2820 equal to Rm 705. F. The total production cost. Total product cost plus total period cost. So Rm 2820 plus Rm 705 equal to Rm 3525. G. Profit markup of 25%. 25% profit markup is charged on the total cost after adding the selling and administration overheads. 25% times the total production cost Rm 3525 equal to Rm 881 and 25 cents. And the last one is selling price. Selling price equal to the total cost plus the profit markup. Rm 3525 plus with the profit markup of 25%, which is Rm 881 and 25 cents equal to Rm 4406 and 25 cents. So the selling price for the job is Rm 4406.25. That's all from me, the explanation about tutorial chapter 3. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe my video. Goodbye.